Well, hello. Welcome to Urban Automotive. What can I do for you today? I'm Mike Urban, founder of Urban Automotive. We've been in business. We're a family-run business, been in business since 2003. So we are in a fully renovated, new state-of-the-art, 6,500 square foot building. We have a very clean and large washroom area. The diagnostic area, we have a new 19-ton truck hoist alignment rack, so we can lift service trucks and manage the bigger vehicles from as small as a smart car to as large as a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van dually. We also have a stock room that we stock most air filters, cabin filters, and oil filters for the vehicles that come into our shop. In a secure building, everything has got a keypad, and we have a regulated lunchtime. So we all take lunch. Urban Automotive shuts down between 12:30 and 1 p.m. every day so that all of us can take lunch at the same time.
My name's Derek Elliott. Started here this September, so mid-September. I came out and interviewed with Mike and Amy and happened to actually get offered the position the day before their grand opening.
My name is Claire. I'm an automotive service technician apprentice. I'm learning how to fix cars and repair them. I've been working here for almost 2 years now. I've been in the car industry for about 4 years.
My name is Liz Wilson. I'm Mike Urban's accountant. I do all the bookkeeping and his corporate returns and personal returns. I've been with Mike for almost 10 years.
My name's Andrew. I'm the senior tech here at Urban Automotive, and I've been working here coming on 13 years now.
So at our new location at 886 Winston Churchill Boulevard, we have 9 workable bays, 6 with hoists, 3 diagnostic bays. We do check engine lights and reprogramming of vehicles, and we're getting ready for the future. He says I'm a different person in front of the camera because I'm not comfortable.
Are you comfortable now?
I'm more comfortable with you here now, yeah. So,
Good.
everyone, this is my bride, Amy Lynn Urban.
Hi.
We have 5 children. Our oldest is 60. Not every shop is expanding 3 times their size during a pandemic. We've done that. We're very happy at our new location. But with that comes now more responsibility, and that means that we are looking for people. So we're looking for a licensed technician. We're looking for apprentices to come join our team, work with our family, and help satisfy our customers. So if you haven't figured it out yet, Urban Automotive is not your average shop. Just look at our Google ratings, number 1. Number 2, the way we treat our people is different. We look for things that they're doing right, and we encourage our staff to look for things in others that they do right.
Before accepting it, I came out to take a look at the grand opening and see their customer base and how they interacted with their customers. That was part of the decision for me joining the team. It was more of a family relationship than a business relationship. And you could see the friendships that have developed over the years, and family's very important to me, and to work for someone that has the same value about building the relationship first.
Because I'm short, I get to test drive all the smaller sports cars. Nobody else can fit into them.
Well, I come from a family that used to repair cars as well, and that one of the things my dad had taught me was to change my oil and be able to change my tires. So coming here and learning more about the vehicles and how with the modernization and all that good stuff, it's interesting to see that I no longer can do that. So I'm sorry, Dad, but I can't change tires anymore. Make sure you do your job. Always be on time and have great respect for Mike.
You want to keep coming back for more each and every day. So everything here is pretty lighthearted. Jokes fly all day long. You know, you got to be good with sarcasm. You got to be able to take it as long as you're able to dish it out too. It's just everyone gets along and everybody's able to joke with each other.
So our environment is completely pet friendly. We have our guard dog,
Everyone knows we like the dogs.
Miss Nina.
Bring your dog. Chances are we like your dog more than you.
We're all like a big family here, and I like coming here.
I've been in this industry for about 30 years now, and I've worked here at Urban Auto. We work on all kinds of cars, all makes, all models, no matter how old they are.
Customers come in and they're already excited that I'm here. I've been here a month and people already know my name. And then I came to realize that Mike put it on my shirt, and it was it kind of made me laugh out loud.
And it's not judged by management, it's judged by your peers. They look and see, hey, Derek helped me. I know that's unusual. But Derek helped me the other day. Remember helping me the other day, Derek?
Absolutely.
He doesn't even know, but he helps me every day because he's awesome. He gets a Golden Wrench Award. I fill it out, the date, the time, what he did, how he did to help me, and how it changed my day. because it helped me. He may not even realize. He may just think it was just normal, I'm just doing my job. Our primary job here is to sell eggs. And secondary is to fix cars. We are egg farmers. We have 100 birds on our farm. Come and get your eggs, and if you want to get your car fixed, you can. We're a very positive business. We have our core values that we live by, the 24 simple values that you will review as a new employee here. The bottom line one, number 24, is that we have fun. We spend more time with each other than we do with our family for the most part, and we want to ensure that we have a work environment that works for everyone and everyone is happy and satisfied. So to the right technician, we are offering a signing bonus to come and join our team.
This small independent shop is really not a small independent shop. I have 15, 20 years experience at the dealership level, and the amount of technology and knowledge that Mike has here, for example, their scan checklists and reports, being able to send the customer pictures and the actual report to their phone and attach videos as to why this needs to be done. I think it blew my mind that this small independent shop had this technology available to all their customers.
Mike is a genuinely good guy to work for. You know, he always has your best interests at heart.
Just don't get a shot of the side. That's inappropriate in this day and age.
I do what I do because I'm committed. We personalize the service, and we always put safety first. Our inspections are second to none using our digital information system. Everyone is impressed. We've never had one customer say, I don't like this. We have our shuttle service that allows us to drive you home or to work.
And if you're working from home, there's Wi-Fi available in the car. It's no need to stop working. And the charge for the concierge service?
Absolutely $0.
That's amazing.
Zero.
And it's a sweet ride.
It is a sweet.
All I have to say about coming to work here is we treat you like family. So you better be ready for the teasing. What?
Don't know what to do with my hands.
It's still a camera. You video yourself all the time.
We are also one of the only shops that has a YouTube channel that tries to educate our customers to let them know what's involved with the different jobs that we are doing, such as timing belts, water pumps, transmission services versus transmission fluid exchanges, brake fluid exchanges, the importance of that. Birthdays, employee birthdays are celebrated here with
Dairy Queen ice cream cakes
well, that's what it was last month because that's
and keto cupcakes.
keto cupcakes because we're an above average shop. Some of us are above average size, so we have to be on a keto diet, so we need to get muffins. But we still celebrate birthdays, recognize everyone's birthday every year. We also celebrate achievements, hitting our targets, what we want to achieve for the business. If we set a goal and we hit it, it's celebrated. Is there going to be like a gag reel, like an outtakes? Because that'd be hilarious. Let's get ready to rumble!